Safe at home. It's time for Maths Grade 2, and today's topic is about measurement. And the subtopic is measuring mass. Now, before I explain about mass, most of you have been going to the shop. You buy salt, you buy rice, you buy tomatoes, you buy onions. All those things that I've mentioned and many more, they are measured in kilograms or grams. And the picture that you can see there, you can see salt. It's measured in kilograms and grams. And you can see a sack of sand. Also, we can see a beam balance. That beam balance, it is balanced. That means salt is the same mass as the sand. So if we go to the next part, we measure mass in kilograms, as I said earlier. That picture that you can see there, it's used to measure the mass. The mass of the salt, according to that picture, is the same mass as the mass of the sand. That means the mass of the salt is 1 kilogram and the mass of the sand is 1 kilogram. So, we go to the next example about mass. You can see the result of 1 kilogram, and we have some oranges the other side. The two, they are balanced. That means 1 kilo of salt is the same mass as those 3 oranges. So if we are given that statement in the sentence form, we say the mass of 3 oranges is equals to 1 kilogram because they are balanced. Let's look at the exercise below. In that exercise, we are given the mass, that's 1 kilogram of mass, and 1 pawpaw. Then this means again, the beam balance, it's balanced. That is, the pawpaw is the same mass as 1 kilogram. So in the sentence form we say, the mass of that 1 pawpaw is the same as 1 kilogram. So if we know that mass is measured in kilogram and we use the beam balance to measure the mass, then we are going to do the exercise down there. After that exercise down there, we are going to know that mass is measured in kilogram and grams. So the exercise that you are given there, you'll watch the video, a short video there. After that short video, you are going to do that exercise that you are given there. Let's watch that video, then we do the exercise as we meet next lesson. Thank you. Let's watch the video first.
Measurement. Mass, weight. What are you staring at, Starry? Oh, the things kept here. We are going to use all these things to learn a new concept in maths. But first, let us see what things are kept here. There is a weighing scale, a compass box, a block, an apple, a small blue toy car, a small red toy car, marbles, nails, a guava, pencils. Now, Starry, we have to find the weight of this compass box. Which instrument should we use? No, we cannot use the span of the hand. We have to find the weight of mass of the compass box and not the length. I will show you how to find the mass or weight of an object. First, we shall take the weighing scale and put the compass box in one pan. Now, let's put marbles in the other pan one by one. Put the marbles till both the pans are balanced. How many marbles are there in the second pan? 11 marbles. So, Starry, the weight of the compass box is 11 marbles. Similarly, Starry, we can also use the pencils and nails to measure the mass of the objects. Let's do it now. What other object do we have? Okay, an apple. We shall put an apple in one pan and put the nails one by one in another pan. How many nails are needed, Starry? Okay, 8 nails. So we say that the weight of this apple is 8 nails. Now let us find the weight of the block with these pencils. How many pencils are needed to balance the scale, Starry? 12 pencils. So the weight of the block is equal to 12 pencils. Did you understand how to measure the weights of different objects, Starry? Okay, then can we measure the block with nails instead of pencils? Yes? Okay, then let's do it. What do you observe, Starry? Yes, the weight of the block is equal to 9 nails. Hey, but previously the weight of the same block was equal to 12 pencils. So, Starry, I am sure you have understood that if we weigh the same object with different things, its weight appears to be different. Starry, now it's your turn to find the weight of the apple. Hey, you are also going to use nails? What is the weight of this apple, Starry? Yes, it is equal to 8 nails. Starry, previously also the weight of this same apple was 8 nails. Here we have used the same things to weigh the apple. So, if we use the same thing to weigh an object, its weight remains the same, no matter who weighs it. Starry, let us now weigh the remaining articles. What article do you want to use to weigh? Okay, let's use marbles. We shall first weigh the red car. Put the marbles one by one. How many marbles are there in the pan? Yes, 6 marbles. So the weight of the red car is 6 marbles. Similarly, we find that the weight of the blue car is 8 marbles. What do you understand from this, Starry? Yes, the red car weighs less than the blue car, or the blue car weighs more than the red car? Let us measure the last article. It is a guava. Can you tell its weight, Starry? Okay, the weight of the guava is equal to 6 marbles. Thus, the weight of the guava and the red car is same or equal. Starry, now look at the picture given and answer the questions. Ram is weighing his pink bat using the nails. Can you count the number of nails, Starry? Okay, there are 15 nails shown in picture 1. So the weight of Ram's bat is 15 nails. What about Shyam's blue bat, Starry? On observing the picture, we find that its weight is 12 nails. Whose bat is heavier, Starry? Right. Ram's pink bat is heavier than Shyam's blue bat. Remember, Starry, many other small articles like flowers, beads, pebbles can be used to measure the mass of an object.